Annyeonghaseyo, good morning. First day na ako of class. Pagbaan ko, grade 6 na ko. Kamsahamnida, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, good afternoon. So karon first day of school na mo, kulbaan ko ginagmay. Kaya akong kuyog, akong amiga si Jane o si Gigi o si Gina.
Doon.
Katun ko sa school. Kamsahamnida, bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. So today I am going to my classroom. Let's go.
Barbie?
Kami ang mga bracket mo. Their teacher, ang komisar, will be retiring soon. So, you follow her, ha? Hindi mo makapagod na. You follow all the teachers. When there is a assignment, you do your task. So, do you believe that you will go to a grade 8 next year? Anybody who believes that she or he will go to grade 8 next year, raise your hand. Ako i-thought inside, ganahan mo grade 8 din sa inyong klase as you raise your hand.
Class.
Good afternoon, Teacher Loida.
Okay, each one of you will give a sentence. Okay, Ramilin?
My mom, beautiful.
My mom is...
Beautiful.
Okay, next, Jandy.
My sister is beautiful.
Another sentence. Kandi magbalik-balik.
My sister is very happy.
My sister is...
Very happy. I have 2 dogs.
Next.
I have 2 cats.
Next.
I have 1 brown dog.